Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS EventBridge for triggering data workflows step by step clearly. To install AWS EventBridge for triggering data workflows, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Once logged in, navigate to the Services menu located at the top of the screen. In the drop-down menu, search for and select EventBridge. With EventBridge selected, click on Create Event Bus. Enter a name for your new event bus in the designated field. Optionally, you can add a description before proceeding. Click the Create Event Bus button to finalize the setup. After the event bus is created, you'll be redirected to the Now, move to the Rules tab within the dashboard. Click on Create Rule to define a rule for triggering your data workflows. Provide a name and description for your rule to make it easily identifiable. Select your newly created event bus from the Event Bus drop-down menu. Next, choose an event pattern that matches your specific use case. You may select from various templates or customize your own pattern. Once your event pattern is defined, scroll down to select the target for the event. Choose the AWS service or resource that should respond to the event. Complete any required configuration settings for your target. Click on Create Rule to save your settings and finalize your setup. Review your created rule on the dashboard to ensure it reflects the desired configuration. To test your setup, send a sample event to your event bus. Monitor the target to confirm that it triggers successfully. With these steps completed, your AWS EventBridge is now installed and ready for use in triggering data workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.